Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at a kit for practicing making knots. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. I put this kit together for my granddaughter because I have my own kit that I've used for practicing knots for quite a few years now, and I thought I'd put one together for her. And since my daughter's also interested in knots, I went ahead and put one together for her. Thus, the two different colors of paracord on here just kind of identifies whose is whose. So anyway, just to show what I got to start out with, I've got this nylon molly type pouch. It's got some Velcro on the front. It's got the PALS webbing all around it, so you can add other stuff. You can put a name tag sticker on there or something if you wanted. I thought about doing that, but they're kind of expensive. I said, heck with it, paracord will work just as well for the two. And instead of the snaps like you get on molly, it's got these webbing and buckles, so you can attach it that way. So it gives you different options. I found these pouches on eBay. I got a little picture of what I found. They're not too expensive, so they're pretty handy. So what's inside here? All right, I guess for starters, I got a small hank of paracord for just practicing all your general knots. It's easier to deal with. Then I got a thicker cord in here, mostly for practicing attaching two lines of different size together, like with a sheet bend. You could also use it for practicing taut line hitches and prussics on the two different lines. So that's why the two different size cords in here. And then I have a practice stick, and it's just a nice piece of wood I cleaned up that you can use for practicing your different hitches, like your clove hitches or any other type hitches or lark's heads, that sort of stuff that you want to practice on a like on a stick here for those sort of knots. And then also I have a steel ring, and that's so you can practice your anchor hitches, your lark's heads, any notches any hitches that you want to attach to a ring. So that's in there for that. And then on the inside of this pocket, like I said, pouch, you've got a main pocket, and it's got this little side pocket. And in this little side pocket, I saw these on AliExpress, and they were pretty neat. It's a set of cards. It came with this little carabiner, and these are plastic cards, and it shows a wide, well, you can see that, a wide variety of knots. See, there's all your knots that you want to use your stick on. That's why the stick's in there. So it's got quite a few knots on here that you can use to practice. And here's your bowline, some of your other knots. So it's pretty comprehensive, enough for generally what you want to do. So if you just want to practice your knots, you kind of have to do that every so often. If you're not using them all the time, you tend to forget. At least I do. Every now and then I go back. Oftentimes I sit around watching TV or something like that. I'll just play with it, making some knots. So I did make a lanyard out of a paracord to stick it around their neck, so hopefully the daughter and or granddaughter won't lose these cards. They can just kind of keep these around your neck. Actually, it'd be pretty handy if you're practicing outdoors, especially. Just throw this around your neck, look at your knot, and you can just drop it, and then you can just start grabbing your cord, etc., and go to town. And while I was out there, I also saw the same thing, but this is for fishing knots. A little bit different kind of plastic, but it's got a whole raft of different types of fishing knots. So I threw that in there in the kit also. They weren't very expensive, a couple bucks. Again, it came a little carabiner, but yeah, it shows you all different kinds of knots used in fishing. So I thought I'd just throw that in there for them. Granddaughter's tried to go fishing a few times, so it'd be pretty handy for her just to close by to practice her knots, and it all fits inside the kit nicely. So that's the kit. It's got everything you want just to practice knots, and being the size of it, if you wanted to, you could also, once all this is in here, store it in here and stick it in your pack or wherever you want to do it. Everything will fit in there. You also, actually, as you can see, you got a little extra room, so if you want to throw some extra cordage in there, just to make this your cordage bag for out hiking around or backpacking, wherever you're going to be doing. So you could actually throw some more cordage in there, and this could be your cordage bag. So anyways, nice little bags, not very expensive. Get everything in your kit all to one. I made an identical kit for the daughter, so they should be good to go to practice or not. So can't think of anything else to say about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.